Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Thursday. Yeah, we see that actually the dollar is getting stronger and stronger. We can easily see by DXY here, dollar index. It's actually pushing to the upside, guys. It's actually seriously aggressively pushing to the upside. We can see this is a daytime frame. You can see that we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days pushing to the upside. That's actually been aggressive. So which means any other pair like the gold, anything that is going against the dollar, obviously they're going to suffer. Actually, they are actually selling. If we want to say something like that. So if we do the analysis here, you will see that yes, the market is coming from a very aggressive downtrend. Now maybe the market wants to continue pushing to the upside, but we will keep track on this. So but before we continue, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. We can easily see that today we have unemployment claims. This is the most important one actually this week. So we will wait and see if maybe it's gonna go up or down. I'm hoping that it's gonna go up, so that at least the likes of US30, NASDAQ gold, they might push to the upside. Don't forget to join the team, guys. Don't forget to join the team. You can actually WhatsApp me. So let's go straight to our normal stuff that we actually analyze every day. On GBPUSD, you can easily see that yes, the market is actually giving us some very nice structure there. We can easily see that yes, the market has been actually showing us some very nice structure, but we can see that this uptrend is no longer really valid. We see the market breaking out, and if you check, this is actually a daily time frame. So we need to change that for 4 hours time frame and see what's really happening. I'm expecting the market to do what? To push lower. Yes, they are this week. I will just repeat, some weeks like this ones, the market can just actually go crazy, but the market will end up reversing very quick. So we have to be extra careful. But on this one, it seems like the market wants to continue on that downtrend. You can see that when this type of moves happens, the reversals are crazy. We can see that we have a breakout, but we also had a nice sell. You can see the market actually touched this area around half of our take profit. The entry was here, but look what happened. The market is now pushing to the upside again. The reason behind why we sold there, it's because already the market broke out of this support area. You can see that on top here, the market got out. Here we had another structure. I drawn this support. Once the market gets out of that, so I took that sell. The profit was not really that bad, but it seems like the market is pushing back again. This is what is going to actually happen this week. Let me just remove this. The market will actually do this. We're going to have some sort of rejections along the way, and then after, when everything it's done, it's where the market is going to go back on the trend or continue maybe with this downtrend, but it's going to be clearer than what we see currently. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one, which is going to be EURUSD. I'll try to go on 4 hours time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, what's really happening? Let me try to zoom in. One daily time frame, I think is gonna work very nice. So yeah, let's see. Actually, these reversals actually they make us to take some losses, and it's better just to. I'm actually going to just stay out of the market actually for this week. Then I will just go back on the market like next week. I think this week already, even the emotions, they are already all over the place because we took some fewer losses. So what we see here on EURUSD is quite a very nice structure. The market is actually, it was showing us that it was pushing to the upside. Very nice, but that actually is changing. The market is breaking out of this support, which means I'm expecting the market to do what? To continue selling. But the market might just play games where we are now, and if maybe you don't really understand the trends, you might actually get caught here, and the market will actually show you some flames. So what I see here is we have an area on top there. You can see an area that we were calling support. Guess what? The market broke out of that. Now the market is creating another support here. So if the market breaks here, I'm expecting actually to look for that sell. If not, maybe the market will just play around the support and resistance before pushing to the lowest side, or maybe the market might decide to push the upside. So we need to be extra careful. You can see this candlesticks there. They are just consolidating, so the move is not really that clearer. So we have to be also extra careful, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So let's push to the next one, which is actually gold. On gold, actually, this thing on my side, I did not really take, I think I did take gold. I no longer remember, it was a sell or buy. So yesterday, not today. So the market is actually, it was actually on a very nice uptrend. We had a breakout. Guess what? The market broke out of that very nice. Around this area, you can see we marked that area. The market actually respected that several times, several hours, by the way. Then the market actually decided to break this area. So this to me now, it's actually a nice sell, but it's creating this crazy rejections. Let's just go on 1 hour. But I think I did warn everyone that we're going to have some crazy rejections along the way. So we can see that, yes, we saw a nice breakout. Yesterday there was news. I no longer remember if it's PMI or something. Then things started to actually sell. Where we are now, the market is just consolidating. So I'm expecting a very nice sell continuing going lower. Whether maybe we're gonna sell here, if maybe the market will be reversing, I'm expecting to see a nice sell, or maybe the market will be trying just to go straight down, something like this. Oh, sorry, something like this. Maybe below that support, the market will continue going lower. So for now, I think I can say yes, this is just a nice confirmation. We are already actually on a downtrend. The market already got out of this trend, so we're expecting to do what? To continue actually selling. So what we're gonna have here, we're just going to draw this here, maybe another one around this area, then we just continue with our downtrend. So the market might just continue doing something like that. So to be safe, I can actually advise anyone, it's not really safe to trade around this time. There's so much stuff going on, and that might actually affect the way you trade. So let's go straight to US30. Unfortunately, I missed this one yesterday. But the bigger picture is, as you saw our daily analysis, I hope you saw that we were still actually on a very nice uptrend. If you check here, the market came very, very, very closer to the support, and now it's bouncing back. Unfortunately, that time when the market touches that area, my laptop was already dead. We are actually on stage 6 of load shedding, so which means the power just goes. There is a schedule where the power can just go for 4 hours, and that it's actually long, very, very, very long. So I did have this, and I was supposed to send a sell. Unfortunately, I did not. So which means the market was going to even touch our take profit before pushing to the upside. So with this structure, I'm expecting the market to do what? To actually continue pushing up. We can see that this is our support area, or maybe the market might come again, maybe before pushing to the upside. But what I like is the market did touch this support, so I'm just expecting the market to do what? To continue pushing to the upside. The market did not really respect that structure, so which means what we have is this diagonal resistance. So it's either the market is going to touch this area, go lower, or maybe even breaking and start to push the upside. With this actually here, we are actually on a very nice uptrend. we are still expecting the market to push up, unless if maybe the market breaks out and start to push to the lower side, then we will think about maybe selling. But for now, the market is still actually on a bullish momentum, and this is actually another opportunity to say we can have a trade that maybe the market will end up going back there. It's not going to be easy. It's going to be challenging because the market will be going up and down along the way until we reach this area. It's not going to be easy. So, but what we know is, as long as we are actually on an uptrend, we're still expecting the market to push the upside. It might take time, but I'm expecting the market to push a bit higher. So let's push to the next one, which is actually NASDAQ. So NASDAQ is also doing the same thing. I'm expecting it to actually push up to this support area around maybe 15,000 or 14 something, somewhere here. Let me check what's the around here. Yeah, 114,966, somewhere around that. So that's what I'm expecting. So which means the market might still actually give us a nice sell, aggressive sell, especially when the market opens. But the thing is, we have a jobless claim, which I showed you. We have jobless claims here around 2:30. This might change the way the market moves for now. If it's bad or if it's positive. If it's gonna be like positive, it means that we're going to see the market going lower, especially on NASDAQ. So you can see this 54 here. It was a surprise actually yesterday. Services PMI. It was very strong, made the dollar to get stronger and stronger. If today the same thing's gonna happen here, yeah, we're going to see the market selling. But anyways, maybe that won't happen. So yeah, let's go back here. On NASDAQ, as you saw, the market is still actually on a very nice uptrend. If maybe we go back, I don't know if I already showed you on a daily time frame. You can see that yes, the market was doing what? The market was actually pushing to the upside. Even now, even though we are having this reversal, but what we know is the market is actually on a very nice uptrend. So there is a chance, actually, I think the best way is to wait for 2:30 jobless claim or unemployment claims to see the results. If maybe they are positive, obviously we will see the market pushing lower. If not, maybe the market will reverse. Or technically, even if maybe there's no news, it seems like this sell-off might actually continue until we see it reaching the support. After that, maybe we will look for that buy. The overall structure here, even though we have short-term sell, my look of this, I still expect the market to actually push the upside. I'm still very, very bullish actually on NASDAQ. So for those who want to join the team, guys, if you want to join the team, let me know. Just WhatsApp me. There's a link in my description. And then we have some very nice special for you. So thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. Bye.